everyone, my name is Quincy Angela Barber, and for today, I am going to discuss the application of ordinary first-order equations in terms of economics. Differential equations is very important in terms of economics. As a matter of fact, most of the models that the economy develop over time is based on differential equations. And it is also said that you know differential equations because you're done with the subject differential calculus. So that's the derivative. Application of differential equations in terms of economics analysis. Number one, used extensively to model dynamics. It enables economists to measure the rate of change in the economy. For example, economists will measure the average change in income relative to a single year's increase in education or experience. So DE is used to study how a system changes over time under specific conditions. That we can say a very typical formula of DE is equal to dy over dx is equal to f of x. So kung ano ang derivative sa f of x, may mo siyang dy over dx. X is equal to f prime of x. Therefore, the result of the DE is to obtain the functions, and in order to get the functions, you need to apply the antiderivatives or the integration. So, nakaagin ang integration na itong sa differential calculus. So, dito sa itong number 2 nga subtopic, which is the three basic model of economics. Number 1 nato is the Harrod-Domar model. Then, it explains economic growth in terms of level of savings, productivity, and capital. So, yung equation is equal to y over y is equal to SC minus delta, which means y and above is our output. And then, atong y so this is growth rate. Then, atong S is savings rate. Then, atong C is marginal product of capital. And atong delta is depreciation rate. Depreciation rate. So, pwede siya na ito. Mani siyang formula sa Harrod-Domar na model. Similarly, we have the Solow Swan model. This model is created by economist Robert Solow and Trevor Swan. They created this model independently. And in fact, Solow was famous in this model because he was the first to submit the paper on the Quarterly Journal of Economics before Swan. So, Solow's Swan model explains the long run of economic growth by considering the capital accumulation, population's growth, and technological progress. So, yung equation aning Solow's Swan model is very complicated, which is K prime is equal to S K times time elasticity minus N plus J plus delta times K plus time times time. Which is kaning equation ng coefficient sa actual investment. And kaning formula is the break-even investment. At siya ikatulong nga model sa economics, no? Which is our Malthusian growth model. So, siyang Malthusian growth model was invented by Thomas Malthus. So, iyang mathematical model niya, no? Yung equation is dV over dT is equal to RP, which is kaning P nato diri at mo ni atong population size, then kani atong R is population's growth rate, then syempre atong T is atong constant na 0 atong time. So unsa nato siya pag-solve, no? So kaning model man siya pinaka-simple. Then mao pud ni siya ang pipili na kuha na akong example para ako matudlo sa inyo, ha. So dito sa katong Malthusian growth model naman siya pinaka-simple nga model sa katong tulong nga model na itong na-discuss. Then, tudlo na ko sa pag-solve ni ko sa ingani nga model ang gamit. So, kung ano siya, atong gigamit ani is no initial condition, which is dili ma-zero atong P, no? Kaya kung mag-initial condition ta, atong T is ma-constant. Then, okay, so pag-solve ang Malthusian growth model. So, kapit ang formula ganihan, dP over dt is equal to Rp. So nato na first is, number 1, read the dt. Paano ito ng dt, no? Which is, ingani lang sa yun. dP over dt is equal to Rp. So, times both side by dt. Para mabali na ito ang dt dito sa bigat, no? Cancel. So, ang mabilingan na ito is dP is equal to Rp dt. Muna siya itong first, number 1 na step sa pag-solve sa Malthusian growth model. Then, number 2 na yun. Number 2, ikalwa. So, diba natay nabilin nga. Basta siya. Natay nabilin nga. dP is equal to Rp times dt. Diba mo na siya kung human sa number 1 ganyan. So, diri na sa step 1 ganyan. So, diri na sa step 2, no? Separate the P from dt. Separate na natin yung P from dt. Step 2 na siya. Separate P from dt. Which is, saan na ito? So, hindi siya nagapon. Separate na ito siya, no? Separate na ito ni D. Divide na ito siya og P. P para makancel na itong P diri. Pag may separate na ito ng P diri sa dt. So, cancel. So, kung maano na ito diri sa pikas, ibalin man na ito ng divide P both sides. So, ibalin na ito 1 over P dP is equal to R dt. Mana siya ang nabilin sa ito. Sa itong paggamit sa step 2. So, dito sa step 3. Integrate the both sides. So, saan na ito pag-integrate? So, very check ang marab. Basta akong eraser. So, integrate the both sides. Step 3 na siya, no? Integrate. Short na ito. Kailangan pala. Step 3. Integrate both sides. So, pilagit ang nabili na ito. Ganyan. Ang nabilin sa ito niya is 1/2 dP is equal to R dt. Kaya ito nga naging 1 over P rather. Sorry. 1 over P. Yan, na. Klaro na diya. Atong integrate both side, no? Ano siya nabilin? Integrate na to. Which is, may mo siyang ln P is equal to RT plus C. Ano siya, kag-integrate na nato siya both side. Then, mga na din yung nabilin sa ito, ano paggamit nato siya sa step 3. So, dito sa step 4. Step 4. Atong step 4 is isolate the P. Isolate P. So, saan na ito pag-isolate sa P? So, ano siyang nabilin, di ba na ito, no? Saan na ito pag-isolate ang P? Integration na ito na siya. P ln P is equal to ln P na. ln P. Hindi na ito kalimutan na integration there sa upos sa ln. Hindi mo nung klaro. ln integration P. Then, atong pigas is ERT plus C. ERT plus C. So, kana siya. Then, makansel din na siya ang integration cancel. So, mabilis sa atong sa pagka-step 4 na nato is atong ERT plus C. So, maana na siya, guys. Maana siya ang general formula o general solution sa differential equations nga walay initial conditions. No initial conditions. So, sa pagsunod na itong mga 4 steps, ganihan na ako, alin na itong answer, which is P is equal to integration of R times T plus C. So, under this siya sa no initial conditions. If atong ibutang sa under sa initial conditions, which is atong time na yun siyang constant, atong iso, P times 0 is equal to integrations of R times, atong time is 0 plus C. So, ano siya, may 0, no? May wala. So, integrations of R times 0 is equal to 0 plus C. So, integrations of 0 is equal to 1. Then, plus C na to. Ano yun siya. Then, atong ibada sa bigas. Which is, negative 1 is equal to C. So, atong C, basically, is negative 1. Ano yun siya, under siya sa na initial conditions. Ano yun siya. So, that's how you solve the Malthusian growth model. But if you do not have the initial conditions, kung wala kay initial conditions, no? Ataragyapon imong gamitan ang atong main general formula, which is P is equal to integrations of R times T plus C. So, Maura, thank you so much for listening.